In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can type the MU symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. So we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find the Insert tab. Click on that. You'll find Symbol. Click on the drop down and click on More Symbols. Then for the font, it should be normal text. And for the subset, click on this drop down and choose Greek and Coptic. Okay, so once you choose Greek and Coptic, we just need to simply scroll down to find the MU symbol. And here it is, Greek small letter MU. So obviously you can simply click on the insert button and this will be added into your Microsoft Word document. But you can also create a shortcut text so that whenever you're going to type the MU symbol, you're just going to use your shortcut text. So click on the symbol and click on autocorrect, and then let's just type in here \MU. Okay, it's \MU. Make sure it's something that you can easily remember and click on add, click on OK and close this. And now let's type the MU symbol by using the shortcut text. It's \MU, hit enter, and that's it. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.